If you've forgotten your ID card, you can still access library resources by using our temporary pass machine to give you access to the library building and book checkout. The temporary pass machine should be just around the corner of the main entrance, next to the printers. Once you have found the machine, start by tapping I'm a student. Enter your Manchester Met ID and password. This will be the same password you use to log into all university systems. You can press the Shift key for special characters if needed. Stay safe and don't share your login details with anyone else or print off a pass for others. You will now receive a printed barcode that you can use to get in and out the library building for up to 12 hours. Make sure to keep hold of your barcode as you'll need it to exit the building. Also note, your main student card won't work while you have an active temporary pass. So if you find your original card while using a temporary pass, visit the help point or reception to get your card reactivated. If you have any questions, please visit the library help point, email library@mmu.ac.uk or start a chat from the library homepage.